Now, if we want to achieve liberation, then if that's what we want, then we won't get there simply by walking, and we won't be able to get there by flying. Of course, it would be very nice if we could just book a ticket and fly there, but we can't do that. It's all to do with the mind and understanding. So for this, it's very important to understand the 12 links of dependent uh, origination, dependent arising. Uh, because if you understand that, then you see that the first of the 12 links where it all starts is the first link of ignorance. And then under the control of ignorance, then we accumulate karma. And because of that karma, we have to be born in somewhere in cyclic existence. There's no choice. We don't just choose. It's our karma that takes us here and there. And so that ignorance is depicted on the picture of the wheel of life, which has, is the picture that explains all about the 12 links. It shows usually an old person, an old blind person with a walking stick. So so it all, even though where we're born in psychic existence is completely dictated by karma, where that karma comes from is ignorance, and ignorance is the mind, right? So of course, it's not like all kinds of mind which are the cause of cyclic existence. It's that particular kind of mind, the mind of ignorance. And that ignorance is an ignorance, not just any kind of ignorance, not just not knowing any old thing, but not knowing the true nature of things, the ultimate nature of things, and not understanding how everything is a dependent arising, not understanding the connection between how things are all dependent and therefore everything is empty. Because we don't have that understanding, we still have the ignorance. Because of the ignorance, then attachment and anger arise, and then through that, then we create karma and have to experience birth in cyclic existence as a result. So we definitely need to understand dependent arising, because if you understand dependent arising, you'll be able to understand emptiness. And this idea of dependent arising, this is something that even scientists understand about these days. And when you have that understanding, the understanding of dependent arising, you'll be able to understand emptiness. When understand emptiness, then you're going to be able to stop cyclic existence completely.